Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Maths Content. So here is the question number 4, exercise say 2.2 grade 9 mathematics Ganit Manjari. The difference between two positive integers is 63. The ratio of the two integers is 2:5. Find the two integers. Okay. So you have given the difference of two positive integers and ratio of these integers which is 2:5. So how will you find out two integers? So जब आपको रेशियो गिवन है, ठीक है, तो आप क्या एज्यूम करोगे? लेट्स एज्यूम वन ऑफ द इंटीजर बी 2x एंड अनदर बी 5x. देखिए 2x आपका, देखिए 2:5 है तो 2x जो होगा आपका वो स्मॉलर इंटीजर होगा और 5x जो होगा आपका बिगर इंटीजर. सो हमने टू इंटीजर्स एज्यूम किए 2x एंड 5x. नाउ दे आर सेइंग डिफरेंस, देयर डिफरेंस इज 63. इट मीन्स 5x माइनस 2x क्या होगा? 63 होगा. सो 5x माइनस 2x इक्वल टू 63. अब इसे आप सॉल्व कर सकते हो, सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हो. 5x माइनस 2x, these are like terms, you can do subtraction, so you will get 3x equals to 63. x का वैल्यू फाइंड करना है, 3 मल्टीप्लाई में है सो डिवाइड में जाएगा, so it will be 63 upon 3. now do cancellation, you will get x equal to 21. So this is the value of x. Now you can find out two integers, smaller and greater both. Let's put this value of x in 2x and 5x. So we will get 2x equal to x की value 21, 2 into 21 will be 42. This is a smaller one. And 5x, 5 into 21, it will be 105. This is greater one. So the two integers are 42 and 105. Now you can check your answer is correct or not. When you will subtract 42 from 105, what you will get? You will get 63. So thanks for watching. If you want to see more solutions of grade 9 mathematics, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.